Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. In this class we're going to be solving question on binary operation. Also, you can check previous videos on this topic. Questions have been solved and explanation has been made. So in this question we want to find the identity element of binary operation, identity element, and this is very simple context. An identity element is just this particular element that when added or multiplied to a particular number, you will get that number back. For example, we have additive identity and we have multiplicative identity. If I should say that what will I add to 5 that I'll get 5 back, you will say 0, right? So the 0 is the additive identity of 5 in that case. So 0 is always additive identity because when we add 0 to anything, we get that in back. And when it comes to multiplicative identity, when we multiply 1 to anything, we get that stuff back. So mathematically representing what I just said now, if I say that x asterisk of an identity, I will get back x. So this is what we want to work with basically in this video. All right, so to start with, let me write out the operation. So operation x to the y is equals to 8xy. So I want to satisfy this condition for identity elements. So this one here, it means that I'll bring it here. Let me bring this one, x asterisk what e. It means wherever I see y, I should write e, and x still remains s for x. Okay, so that will be equal to 8x and what, and e. And don't forget that the whole of this expression here is equal to x. So which means that I can now say this one, having been equal to this, is equal to x. Do you grab that now? So this is what I'm going to actually bring out. I'll bring out this one and work with it to get my identity element. Okay, so in that case I will have 8x to the identity x. So x can cancel s here, as 1. Divide both sides by 8, e is equals to 1 over 8. Can you see that now? Gotten 1 over 8, and that's the answer for this one. And to fully satisfy this condition, you still need to get another condition to be satisfied. That means if I also have e to the y, this must be equal to themselves, right? This must be equal to themselves in this case. That means if I should try it in the other hand, I should still get the same identity element. Identity element is always the same. Okay, so trying it again in this question, I will have e asterisk y is equals to 8ye. Is not also. So I will have this to be equal to y, because this one will be equal to y, just the way this one was equals to x. We get that number back. All right, so y cancel y here, we have 1. Therefore in this other part of the law, e is still the same as 1 over 8, and we are getting the same answer just like the first condition. Therefore the identity element for this question is 1 over 8. I hope it's clear. So when you want to do identity elements, you need to satisfy both ends, either when you are working with respect to x or with respect to y. But make sure that when you are operating it on a particular number, it gives you that number back. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also refer this channel to your friends who is preparing for WAEC, GC, NECO, Post-UTME, and whatever examination at secondary level, even as year 1, that needs something like this.